Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your mouse cursor size and color on your Mac OS device. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open the System Settings window. On the left-hand side of the System Settings window, scroll down and click on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility menu, select Display. Then scroll down until you see the section labeled Pointer. Here you'll find an option to change the size of your mouse pointer. By default, the pointer is set to a normal size. To make it larger, move the slider to the right. You'll see the pointer grow in size instantly. If you want to make the pointer smaller again, move the slider back to the left. You can adjust the size to whatever is most comfortable for you. In the same pointer section, you'll see two options. Pointer Outline Color. This changes the border color of your cursor. Pointer Fill Color. This changes the inside color of your cursor. Let's customize these. Click on the pointer outline color and choose a new color. Let's say yellow. Next, click on Pointer Fill Color and select a color, like red. Now, your mouse pointer will have a red fill and a yellow outline. If you want to go back to the default colors, just click on Reset Colors, and your pointer's appearance will return to the original settings. While you're in the Display section, you might notice an option for color filters. These filters affect the entire display, not just the cursor. If you're interested, feel free to explore them, but they're not directly related to the mouse settings. And that's it. You've now learned how to adjust the size and color of your mouse cursor on Mac OS. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified about our latest uploads. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.